Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix no service problem on your iPhone. If you are guys facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, what we need to do, you have to drag down your control center, tap aeroplane mode 3 or 4 times, and after this, restart your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. The second solution is carrier update. Open your setting, scroll down, tap on Journal, and from here, tap on Software Update and check if they have any update. Then update it first and check if your problem is fixed or not. The third solution is go back and scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on reset network setting and enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting and check if your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, go back, and the last solution is take out your SIM card and clean your SIM card and insert it and your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.